Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour inside Aalayam by Veerapaneni Infra Projects, and this isn't just any residential project. This is Vizag's very first micro-gated community, and it's absolutely redefining what modern living looks like. We've got some incredible construction progress to show you from January 2026, so let's jump right in. Alright, let's talk about what's been happening on site, and trust me, the progress is impressive. First up, the west and south sides are looking absolutely stunning. We're talking fresh plaster and vibrant texture paint that really brings the building to life. Every single bathroom has been expertly plumbed and waterproofed to perfection. And here's the best part, all the outdoor plumbing on the west side. Completely done. Now, the electrical work in Unit 201 is moving at lightning speed. Our team is crushing it, and we're on track to finish everything in just 2 days. That's the kind of efficiency we love to see. Now, I'll be honest with you, January was a bit slower than usual because of festival celebrations. But here's the thing, we never compromise on quality. During this time, we carefully sourced the highest quality granite for all the windows and doors. No shortcuts, just premium materials. And guess what? Installation kicks off this February, so things are about to get even more exciting. We've also already begun plastering in the stilt area and along the compound walls, so momentum is building fast. And that's a wrap for today's construction update. If you're as excited about Aalayam as we are, do us a huge favor, smash that subscribe button, drop a like on this video, and hit follow so you never miss an update. We've got so much more progress coming your way, and you're going to want to see it all unfold. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Until then, keep dreaming big.